This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening to all. Welcome to the session number 4. In this session, we will discuss about the move command, echo command, and next how we can apply the different colors to the echo command. And next, if it is possible, we will discuss the bash initialization also. This is the most important concept actually. So come to the terminal. This is my Linux terminal. So what is the meaning of echo? Just observe echo. Hi. What is the output? And just when I give that echo is command to use to display that test for just for printing purpose only. So suppose if I give it without quotes, what will happen? You're getting the same output. So if I try to give in single quotes, yes, now you understand the three different things are there. Suppose I will just for your understand, just assume like I'm assigning a variable a equals to 4. Now, if I call the variable value, dollar is nothing but value at variable a with single quotes and with double quotes and without quotes, what will happen? See here. Suppose first I try with double quotes. So actually I'm calling echo dollar. Dollar is nothing but value at variable a. So what is your output? 4. I try to give with a single quotes. So as it is print, there is no value. Just what we have in the single quotes, it will display the same thing. So I directly give without any quotes. So we are getting that value 4. So the thing is, when you call a variable, should define either in double quotes or without any quotes using the dollar symbol. So there is no use. Suppose if you use the single quotes, the message which is under the single quotes, the message as it is displayed to you. See, if I am taking a file, what is my intention is just I take a file vi 1.sh. So echo, welcome to the line, first line, and next one, echo, thank you. Your second line. Just I save and quit. Now I try to execute this file. What is happening here? So here we got some output in 2 lines. So observe here, what is the drawback here? What is the problem here with the script? So here I am using the echo command twice. Yes, I am using 2 times. So it's a read by read, line by line. So definitely using a command. Here, what is happening here? I'm using the echo command, but what is happening? I'm using the 2 times to display the common message. And it is definitely a performance issue also. So it is reading line by line. Suppose the line number 100. Now again it's read to the 101. Again it's called as echo commands. So the server or the shell call that echo command 2 times when this script is going to execute. So instead of writing 2 times, now it's a sequentially we have some message is there. Instead of writing, now here we are writing 2 times. Instead of this one, I will use one echo command. Then I will display my required text. So see here, vi same script. I will go there. Just understand now. Wait. This is the first one. Okay. Now see here, how do I use echo? Just use the hyphen n and give the message. What is that? Welcome to the Linux and n for number of lines and thank you. So see here, you will get some problem here. What is the problem? You can understand. So what happening here? Instead of writing 2 times, I use that one option that is a hyphen n, and I'm giving that 2 different messages. So just I will save and quit from here. Wait. Yes. sh 1.sh. So what is happening here in our output? Okay, this is the first output. There is no matter about now. So we are getting the output, welcome to the line X, and we got the second one also, that is nothing but thank you, we got here. But thing is, I need to display this message in the next line, not in this line. Yes, but here previously I executed, I used the echo command twice, and I got the two different outputs in two different lines. But the thing is, now I use, instead of the two lines, now I'm using only one command, echo. I'm using the hyphen n, and it is executing perfectly, but not, this is not my required format. So to get the required format, yesterday we used the hyphen e. When you apply the hyphen e option to the echo commands, the things which are /t, /n, all things will work. So simply, you go to the same script. So what I'm going to do here, just I delete these things not required here. Default delete in extension mode. Just use the e. Hyphen n for number of commands we are giving, number of commands giving through the echo command. E for, so what will happen here? It will execute some different character like /n. /n is nothing but for new line. /n is nothing but for new line. Just observe what is your output. So it is similar to the previous output. Yes, you got that your required output by using the, just what is our command just here? Echo -ne and welcome to the line X, just is a /n. It will create the new line. If you don't use that -n, it won't work here. N is that, by using that n, we need to give these different special characters, then only it will work here. So this is about, suppose if you can use, you can execute the more than one command on your terminal also. Suppose I will execute date, you are giving the date. Yes, if you suppose I type that ls, it will give the complete files and directories which are under my default location. See here, ls, you give the colon and date and time and what is that, echo welcome to the line X. So I'm giving different things in a line, just separated by semicolons. Just understand what is the, okay, 1 minute. What is your output? Cool. 1 minute. So I giving a command, then it is giving error to me. Different again, I will get that error. Okay, don't use echo. Better just normal command without giving any argument. So what is happening? First is executing ls. This one. Next one date here, and next one is a time. So if you want to use that echo command, we should use the another thing, that is a backticks. Backticks will come later. Don't worry about that one. So this is a process, we can execute that more than one commands in a line. We will use these things in scripts also. Okay, next come to the, this is some basics about the echo command. If you want to more about echo command, just come to here, -e, enable interpretation of the \escapes, and use the -n also. Do not output the trailing the new line. So what does it mean? If you use the -n, it will display that complete thing in the same line only. -n, do not output the trailing new line. Just see here, I will try to in different way. Echo welcome and next thank you. Now without using, definitely we will get only in one line only. So you need to get two lines. Just give that slash, where it is /n. If you want to work the /n, you should give that e. Now we will get that output. No need that n also not required here. Just give that /e. It will give to you two lines. So no need to actually give that n. So just pass that -e. When you give that -e, the special character will work there, and just give the /n where you want the new line, there that will work. Okay. Previously we are using ne. I think it's not required. Previously I used ne, but only by using the -e. So we can write multiple lines of e by using a single echo command. Next one is most important, colorings. How to display the different colors in your script. So just here, echo slash is mandatory, slash e. So I will use some different colors, then you can understand. Uh, first understand the situation, hyphen e, and I'm giving one code. Actually, don't worry about this one. Slash 0, I think 33. It is a code only. We have a one PDF. This is completely up to yeah. This is a code. Just I'm giving welcome to the Linux world. Just observe what will happen here. So complete, when I use this code, is completely changed to some red color. Yes. So actually we have some different codes are there. I will show to that file. It is. I think your shell script directly. Is it available? Oh, yes, here the color code is there. Just to X here, these are the color codes, and this is a regular black color. Suppose if you want the green color, you should give this one. Just use this one before the test only. Control C. Hyphen is mandatory. See here, just what I'm going to do here. I will copy that code here. That's what is happening here. Now it is changed to green color. Now understand one problem is there. When I give the color, that color is not limited to that particular line. It is applying to that coming the terminals, coming from also. Yes. So I won't want like that one. So if you want to like that one, just here, you need to give the same code. Same code. What is the code? Slash 033 and square bracket. Just give that 0M. It will stop that thing. And now you will get that only. This is a starting point. This is a code number up to M. I use 2M. Actually, only 1M is enough. See, I will different from here to there. Next one. So slash 003 and slash this is a 0 and 32 is the starting point. When you give the 0M, it is starting point. This is some different thing is there. Now you will get the subtest. Yes, see here. Now we have some another one. Underlined lines also. Suppose I will use some different thing. It is also we will use. Just I will give that number. Paste and give that 004 colon. What will happen? Just we will see. It's not working. So that's there is no slash, that is not working here. So should give that different character slash. We are using the E. So you got a line under this one, underline. And this is common endpoint for all the colors codes. Yes. Now see here, we can also apply the multiple colors in a line. See here, echo slash is mandatory. And first I will apply some different color, slash something. And here I will write welcome. And then after I need another color, suppose blue. I'm using again different color with the slash is mandatory. Next one to be. Next I will use some different background. Okay, bold identity good. To the Linux. So should use that ending with slash 033 square bracket open 0m. Here, so this is output. We are getting the three different colors. Now I hope you understand very clearly. You don't worry about this file. I will upload this file to with today's session. So these are the ending point is very easy, but the starting point, just use the different combination, definitely you will get that one. So slash 00033 0 30m, and when it is a board 1 is there, and when is underline is a 4 is there, that are the common things are there. It is very easy, you can easily understand and remember also. There is no problem with these things. Okay, this is now we got some different output. It is not only here, you can also apply these things on your terminal like the Linux, AWS Linux also. Yes, next one, we will discuss about the, is it clear to all of you? Just give the message, how to apply the colors. Hyphen is mandatory. Without this one, you won't work these things. Please give the replay like in chat box. Okay, good. I will show that underline. Just echo. Yes, is still it is continuing. But what is that? Red color is continuing here. Slash 00m 0 colon. I think colon is not there. No. I gave wo, not wo. No, yes, got it. Actually, I gave here wo. Yes, that is a 0. Small difference. So good. Now, one of our friend asked me how to apply the underline. Just see here. What is underline? Underline. Just scroll down. This I will use the green color. This is a code. I try to change the font size. Let's now just a copy here. Vishnu. I think Vishnu only. Okay, just endpoint. If you don't give the endpoint, it is applicable to all the coming fronts. So common endpoint slash 00 and square bracket, open square bracket, and 0m. Oh, something went. Okay, I did not give the closing paralysis. Double colon. Yes, we got the name with the underline. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, next we will discuss, we move to the next concept. Yes, I put the echo current and hyphen E. Special characters only work when give that hyphen E and variables. Now we will come to the next part, that is a variable, how to define that one, and we will discuss. So what is the actual meaning of the variable? In our mathematics, maybe a linear equation like that, a linear equation in two variable, RS x plus x equals to 2 plus y. So when you substitute, if y equals to 0, what will happen? Y equals to 0, then your equation will be changed to 2 plus 1, then your x value equals to 3. Now see here, when it is actually dependent and independent, is again it is a 10th related concepts. No, I won't go to the mathematics deeply. But when you're giving some different value for the variable, now nothing but I'm giving 1. The 1 value is presently I'm representing with instead of the y variable. Yeah, actually 2 plus 1 is there. Yes. So 2 plus y is there. Now I'm replacing y with 1. Indirectly, instead of y I'm representing, I am playing with the 1. It's a replacing. Temporarily I am giving the value here 1. In our computer science language, just we are storing that, we are assigning the y value with a 1. A similar concept we will use here to define the variable. We need to we need to use the to define the variable. We need to use the some not only characters. We will use some a combination of the characters or characters. Just understand here. Suppose I am giving a equals to 4. Now I am assigning the a value, variable a value with the 4. It is assigned or not? Just see here. You have to remember one thing. So this is one special character, dollar and question mark. Please understand here. What is the meaning of this one? So when I am using these things, I will explain to you. Why we are using this special character means when that just preceding command, the just now what is recent command is executed before giving this command a equal to 4. Yes, if the return value when you call echo $@ value at question mark is nothing but is a special character combination of these two things. If you get that value is 0, that meaning is the previous command is executed successfully. Just try to see here. I will give suppose one name. There is no command. Oh, already file is there. Okay, I do one thing. What I will give in any. Suppose this is one command. So what is the error? That is a command not found. Just try to with echo $question mark. What is your output? You will definitely get the non-zero value. Non-zero value is nothing but it's not successfully executed. Same thing, suppose I give the date, it is executed, I got some output. Just try it. We got that 0 is nothing but if the just before command, just before executing this command, what is the recent command? That is date. If this command is executed successfully, we will return the value from this special character, that is 0. So if you get that other than 0, you feel like that is the command or the script is not successfully executed. This is the meaning. Now I assigning a equals to 4. Is it working or not? Just I got the reply with 0. So it successfully we store the variable a equals to 4. Okay, now thing is how to define the variables. Suppose if you try to a equals to give either side some space with equal to 4, definitely you will get that error. Please remember, without spaces you have to define that one. If you try to give one side space and another side is without space, it is also one error. Equal to says 5. Okay, when you define a variable, suppose b equals to without spaces, you should give that you have to give the assign the value. So now y value will be stored in variable b. So first point. And another one, just I define these all things about the variables. Where it is now. Yes, if for that same thing, the $question mark, we will also for executing also script also in scripts also. Echo $question mark. If it returns 0, then the previous command or script executed successfully. So if otherwise 0, then it is not executed, not successfully executed. Yes, now just we will discuss about some key points about the variables. So please concentrate a few minutes. Variable, how to assign the variables and other things we will discuss now. Just wait. The first. So I'm using the some A, B, C like that. You can also use the NAG. Suppose see here, if you define NAG equal to 6, just call echo value at NAG variable, that is 6. Suppose if you call giving what is that? Just assigning NAG space 1, 2, 3, or else what is one good character? Welcome is one variable. if you define with some spaces, what will happen here? Combine not found. Don't give that spaces when you're defining a variable. If you want to define, if you want any spaces, just use the instead of that one, use that underscore. So just echo welcome. So you will get the outputs. So better practice when you call the variable with the dollar symbol, use that this curly braces is the best practice to you. Without this curly braces also, you will get that output. My intention, my suggestion is please use the braces also. It's a very good habit to you. When you write the scripts, you know you will find out this value of this when why we are using these things. Now see here, just I will call that welcome. The same thing will come here. Even another one is what is that now is there. Just give the same output. There is no change, but instead of calling only dollar symbol, just define the variable in these curly braces. Definitely, it is much helpful to you when you write the scripts. Okay. Now onwards, I will use the same thing. So both are same only. Just concentrate here. So something difference you will find out when you write the scripts or when you send the parameters to the running script. That time you can easily understand and it is very easy also. Please make a habit like that one. Now, what are the rules for defining a variable? Okay, and first one is variable name should be from small a to small z and capital A to capital Z and 0 to 9, and when the special character is, you can also use the special character. The variable name should contain these characters only. Okay, next one is 1 minute. Most important, you should not start that variable. You should not start the variable name with number. Just observe here what will happen. I will call 5 now equals to 2. So see here, command now font. Suppose if you use the number after the name, there is no problem. Don't start a variable name with a number. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. Next one. Okay, already I said to you, don't include space in the variable name. If is required to you, use the underscore. Okay, this is same thing. And next one, and one thing, and store for this one, where it is this. Don't take the variable name as the command. Don't take the variable name as don't take the variable name as the command. So what is the meaning? Already one command is there, so definitely work. Just you will get some difference here. Date, already if you use date equals to 5, just you call echo what is that date, you will get that 5 only. It is overwritten by. Now what will happen here? Actually date is there, is already predefined command. So what happened here? We define some value. Yes, already is the predefined. Some function is there by using this one. Now you are defining the same already predefined command. Is a one command, predefined command. You are using that command as a variable. You are storing some value. What will happen? Same variable overridden. Already existing data will be what is that? The existing data will be overridden by the number y. When you call the date, simply you will get the value as date. Now try to execute here. It is the same only. You will get that there is no change in that. What is the meaning here? Sorry. When you call the date, it will work to you. When you call the variable date, you will get that 5. So here we have some confusion is there. Actually, not overridden here. Actually, when you use that AWS machine, definitely it will overridden by existing command. Oh no, it's command only. Sorry, I said wrong now. So don't use, sorry, I'm repeating the same thing. Don't use the command variable name like a command name. That is intention. Why? Because some a little bit confusion is there. So when you have to call the date command, when you call the date variable, so that's don't use that variable name as a command name. Next one, last important one, variable names are case sensitive. What is the meaning here? Suppose I'm defining hello, not hello, h equal to 20, not h, k equals to 20, I assign that. Now I'm calling echo dollar small k again. What will happen? Nothing will happen. There is no output. So why? Because it's not, I'm using a small k, but actually it is a capital K. So that's why we are not getting any output. Okay, now see here, I will do something. I will do some operation. Now I will write some scripts, how to use the scripts and how to display the scripts by using the numbers. Now you need to understand one command, that is a command name is read. What is the meaning of read? Where it is? Actually, the meaning is not there. Okay. So I think you are good at the, suppose maybe you have any knowledge about the C language. Why we are using the scanf? Scanf is nothing but, see here, I will give some clarity. First I will explain one example, then I will give that clarity. I will write a script add.sh. So first line should be shebang. Okay, next what I'm going to do here, I'm assigning two variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, and c equals to, you just, this c we are calling as a backtick operators. Don't get any confusion, just I'm doing one addition only. I will explain what is this symbols and what is this expr. Don't get any confusion, just I will give that clarity to you. Just 7 wait, what, just execute this one. What is your output? Oh, I just gave c only. Your output came there. What is the actual information available in that? Right? Now we are getting a equal to 7 and b equal to 20 and c equal to some value. Now, first of all, I assign, now this is a shebang, there is no doubt to you, and I assigned two variables, and by this is a expr is using to the arithmetic operations. Yes, see here, expr, just see here. EXPR is nothing but is doing that mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I'm adding value at A and value at B. Spaces are two mandatory here. What is the meaning of the backtick command? So this is the backtick options. Now in your keyboard, left side, you have the tab, caps lock, and tab button is there. Upon that one, under the escape key, when you press this one, you will get this is command. This is a backtick command. We are calling as a backticks. Backticks. So what is the using of this backticks means? So when I suppose here, if you don't use arithmetic operation, you don't do anything. Suppose here, seven plus two. What is saying here? expr is a command. So expr evaluate that expressions. Yes, that's what I said to you, for using the basic mathematical operations mainly. Yes, you if you want any doubt, just you can clarify using these things. Okay, expr is nothing but add the values. So expr what I'm doing here, I'm doing some operation, that is the expr. You should, if you want to do any operation in the script, should use that backticks. What is the meaning of the backticks? Backticks will execute your commands which is between these two things, which is between backticks commands. The command will execute at the OS level and it will assign to the particular command. Now, previously, what I said add.sh is there. Just now understand very clearly. Now, why we are using this backticks actually? So here, this operation now value weight A is nothing but 7 and it is a 20. What is the meaning of expr? Just you do the basic operations. And I'm giving these things in backticks commands. No, it's not possible. With brackets, not possible. But I will explain to you with the brackets also. Don't worry. Some little bit linking is there. You have to use the brackets. Something is difference is there. I will explain to you. Wait. So if you want to execute this expr command at the OS level, now you are at your script. Yes. Now your script is there. Now is there OS. Under OS here. Now you are giving the backticks command. This command will execute at the OS level and the output will assign to the particular variable. Just now see here. I will explain to you in a different example, then you can easily understand. expr 5 plus 10. What is your output? 50. 5 plus expr 5 minus something 12. You will get the error. Why? Because for the binary operator, either side you should provide the spaces. And if you use the multiplication, you will get the error. Why? Because star has different meaning in the Linux, so that just use that if you want that original meaning, just use that backslash before the particular symbol. Again, I'm repeating. So in your addition also, if you use that special this backtick, what is that backslash? There is no difference to your output. So when a command is not executing directly, just use that before that special character with backslash. The original meaning applied to that operators for that numbers. Means what is the original meaning of our intention? Nothing but it's a multiplication. But system is understanding is star is nothing but all. Like select in Arkil, select star from EMP. And yesterday also, not yesterday, in I think Friday session, we are used the for remove the directories. We are used rm minus rm remove the file minus rf star. Star is nothing but delete that all. So like that, the system is understanding star is nothing but is the selecting that all. But my actual intention is it's multiplication. To get that actual meaning of that special character, just use that backslash and type that enter. And now if you want to use the division, just use that slash, you will get the remainder. If you want to get the quotient, use the percentage symbol and you will get that. It's a quotient, it's a reminder, it's a quotient, you know very well. Now suppose in my script now my intention is I want to execute this command and I need to assign this value to one variable. Got it? So suppose a equals to I do the one operation 5 plus 4 plus 10. So my intention is it needs to do some operation addition and the result of this expression or this process assign it to variable a. See here, you will get one error. Why? Because we are doing two things, addition by using the expr command and we define the same thing. So if you want to do like that, just define in backticks command, between the backticks command, if you assign that thing, in between the backticks commands, you define that your command, what is that expr, you are adding two numbers. Now it will do that operation, the result will be stored to or sent to the variable a. Now just call value weight a, it's a 14. Same thing I applied there also. So come to the script, what is that cat add.sh. So this is I do some operation, value weight a and c and printing the echo c. This is not my required, but it is only applicable to the particularly when a equal to 7 and b equal to 20. But my requirement is not like, sorry, my requirement is when the program is executing, that time I need to provide the values. Yes, it is for addition only, but I need to, what is my intention? I don't want you, always you are adding only 7 and 20 in your daily life? No. Suppose, and just I'm taking the two numbers. So how to take the runtime values? The runtime values is, we can use the command that is a read. So read is a command, it will store that value of the value from the user. So when we are giving a please enter a number, when the user enter a number, the variable, the value of enter value of the user will store in one variable by using the read command. Just I will write the same, I will edit the same program, then you will get the clarity. Just what I'm going to do, just I will comment it. See here, what is my intention is just I'm giving please enter a number. Please enter a number, not the please enter the first number. Okay, when user, this is for display purpose, when user entered a number, next immediately it will store the variable, a variable name is a. Read is nothing but store that, getting the information from the keyboard, from the user. So what is the meaning? When user is enter the test, enter the number value will be stored in variable a. And next one again asking enter the second number. Again I am taking another variable, that is a variable b. What I am doing here? So I am doing the operation evaluate a and evaluate b. I am adding these two things and the result I am assigning to c. Finally it will display to you, display the output. Just echo and giving some format. See here in Linux everything. Now in that Linux, if you defining a variable equal to 5, basically everything treat as a string only. I'm again repeating, if you define a variable, now basically every variable, the data type of the variable is basically it is a string only. So if you get the value, you should use the dollar. Now just I will save and feed from here. I try to execute this one. It is asking to enter the first number. I'm giving 123 is the first number. When I give this value, it will be stored in variable a by using the read command. Again it is asking enter the second number. I've been giving 345. So it is a 247. You can customize the test also. That is not a problem. Just you can write here like the result $A and $B is, and give that ending of the course sh I.sh and giving first number 12 and second number some number. What is that your output? 3345. It is a sum addition. Now tell me the drawbacks of this script. Now this we need that performance. We need more performance. Yes. What is the drawback here? Please 1 minute. Add.sh. Now here. This is a comment, not a problem. I am using that echo command for the display, and same time I am using the another thing that is nothing but reading the value. And second one I am giving the same thing for display, and I am storing the value here. Yes. Now we are using multiple times. Got the difference. So what is the drawback here? Yeah. So for only display purpose we are calling that echo command. Only for the display purpose we are calling that echo command. So by using the read command we can also do one thing, that is just use that read -p. -p is one command. It will display some message. Suppose what is that? Please enter the number. This is a test message, and after that you can give the variable name. So what will happen? Just for print that message. So read is nothing but store the data, getting that information from the user. So we are instead of using that echo command, with the help of the read command, we can also display the some text. when you based on this test, a user enters some test, the value will come and store into the variable A with the help of the read command. So now I will change this thing now. Just understood. Vi add.sh. Why I am using that echo command here? Simply I delete this thing. Yes. Now here, just I use that hyphen p. So what I enter the first number. So after this is only double quotes information for display purpose, and the value will be stored in variable A. Yes, try to give only one space. And next one here also, just I use that. I won't call that echo command. Why? Because it will create even some process in PID in backend. Hyphen p p. Just try to execute same thing. Sh. First I will cat it the command. Cat add sh. So first three lines are only for backticks and where two are commented. Just I given only two lines. sh.add.sh. And the first number 12 and saying again to the second number 34. Your result is there 46 on the output. Yes, this is we are using the command. So if you I expected this question from you. I will try it. Till now I didn't try it. Yes, good question. Hyphen he. I will try it for you, and maybe it is work. Okay. The question is, can we make a only one read command? Can we take the two inputs from the user? Just I will try it. New.sh should define. Maybe it's work. I think here. Read hyphen fee. Enter the first number. Yes, let's have to give that message, and I think we have to give that hyphen fee. Enter the second number. Then after give the variable name and equal. Just for display purpose I'm using now. So $a and $p. Just I try to execute sh.new.sh and the first number 12. So we are getting some error. I tried it in different way, but I did not try till now in this manner. Without hyphen p, I tried. And the first number 12. So it is not possible. Is it clear? So read hyphen p and that comment and that variable name. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, so now you understand echo is for display purpose and read command is nothing but to read that input from the user. Okay, now you know very well in Linux we use the one command is yum. Yes, yum is nothing but to install the particular specific package, and in Ubuntu we will use the apt-get instead of them. So it is a yum is a tool to install a what is that? Install a package. Suppose here yum install, I will call tree or I will call httpd. So it is nothing but Apache server. It will display. It will install to you like that. Is it clear? So yum is a command to install a particular software in your system. So it is my local server. That's why it is executing it. Even AWS also definitely will execute it to you. Now my intention is how to execute in real time. Okay, already. Okay, I do one thing. So not like to complete hurry burning. Instead of that one, I will explain these things tomorrow. So how to install a required package, just giving the file package name. So now my planning is actually I need to create a script. So the script what we have is not a mandatory to the normal user. So when the user want to install a script, just he will call that file name. Suppose this is my file name is in ins.sh. A user wants to install a software, just he call this file name. The user will call this file name, and it will ask to him which package I need to install. Suppose the package name is tree. Tree is a package. So just he provide the name, then by default the script will execute all the things. That is my intention. Okay, don't worry. Tomorrow we will see this one in detail. Okay, thank you. Good night. I will upload this session on or before 11 p.m. And one more thing to you, today you will get a new link for the GoToMeeting app. Okay, good night.